Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Uday Legacy project done by Ahmad Zaki Sindra Berhad, our customer, who has bought 2,000 pieces of our blue safety net. This is 80% shade, and as you can see, they have transferred some of the nets up on the higher floor over there. Okay, thank you. Today is the 4th of February 2019. In fact, it's the eve of Chinese New Year. Thank you. We are back 25th June 2019. This is this portion is the former mass building. Now it's turned into office block. I maintain an office block, and this is a new 50-story. They call it the BNB Hotel. This is along Jalan Sultan Ismail, exactly opposite. Oh, sorry, it's covered by trees. Exactly opposite the new hotel Bukit Jalil. And yeah, so they've been using about all in these two blocks. They use about all in about 2,600 pieces of our nets lah. Previously, for the front, the previous mass building, they were using our fire resistant nets. Over here, as I give you a close up, these 80% safety nets lah. Thank you. Hi guys, good evening. Today is the 20th of March 2019. I'm taking a short video of the BNB Hotel, which is the site of the former mass building, the mass building that was sold in Jalan Sultan Ismail. Okay, this is done by our customer Ahmad Zaki Sindra Berhad. As you can see, they bought some. They're using our old fire-resistant nets at the bottom, a bit faded. Yet again, they bought some new 80% blue color nets lah. 80% shade blue color nets. In February, they ordered 945 pieces, and this building is already considered halfway through. If we go up another 25 stories, I think. So this is an ongoing project. The building behind was the former mass headquarters building, which has been refurbished to be a office block. This front portion facing Jalan Sultan Ismail is a 52-story hotel. At the back, the former mass building, 28-story, will be converted into office block. That is facing Jalan Tengah. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. 23rd of June 2019. Here we are in front of the new BNB Hotel. It is just behind the existing previous mass building. This building is facing exactly facing the Bukit Jalil Hotel, the newly built Bukit Jalil Hotel. This is a 50-story hotel. At the back portion, the previous building was another view of the whole project. 4 blocks of buildings, 3 different contractors buying the nets from us. 40%, 50% shade and 70% shade blue safety nets. Okay, total around about 12,000 pieces, all 3 of them. Given us the orders, but we are delivering as and when they require lah. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2nd of March 2019. This is a Skyward project in Bukit Jalil, facing the, as you can see here, even I'm panning around, the Bukit Jalil Park. So they've bought, Skyward has bought about 4,000 pieces of net, but I think they only use about maybe 3,000. And panning over here to my right is the Pavilion Residences. These are 40-story blocks of 4 blocks of high-rise buildings. Melton has been our customer since 2000 and 2008. Quite a lot of these nets, if you can see clearly, old nets. These were recycled from nets. These will be nets that we sold to them maybe about 4 to 5 years ago. Their previous project is shipped over here. And there's a small project beside it. This is by a China company. And of course, the total number of nets here, brief estimation would be around, the order the day was about 6,000, plus the old one is easily about 11,000 pieces of net. 4 blocks of There's about 50-story buildings, condominiums just behind the pavilion Bukit Jalil. And as you can see, even these nets around 6 to 7 years old, they're still very strong. As for the panning over here to the Bukit, to the Skyward project, which is called Skylux at Bukit Jalil. These are nets, 30% nets. As you can see, it's quite fragile and easily torn. But anyway, that's what the developer's budget was, so kind of settled for the 30% nets. So we thank you for your time and patience, even as we had a concluded run today. I personally had a run here, and have a nice weekend, guys. Thank you for your time. This is MMC Cremona project, Sentul West Station. It's quite built up already. As you can see, the air ducts there. So yeah, I'm scanning the whole thing. So they have bought some nets from us. Basically, this 80% nets, you can see, without any white edging. Okay, and then there's the balance of the side lah. So MMC Cremona, Sentul West Station. Today is the 9th of May 2019. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, today is the 9th of May. We are now at the HKL crossing, MMC Cremona project. So this is the staircase that's going down to the side, and they have requested us to advise them on the nets to be used. So we have proposed to them, and we're waiting for them to come back to us to confirm everything. Yeah, this is an overview of the site. Yeah, okay. And those blue color nets were from us last time. It was supplied to them in MRT1. They are recycling the nets . So this is a close-up of the staircase landing going in. It's about, should be around 5 floors. 21.5 meter, yeah, around 5 floors. Okay, all the way down. See that? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.